In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voice and middle. So as you can see here, I do have a clip, and if I open it up, I'll not be hearing my voice. So how can you include the voice also in the clip? It's very easy. You can go to the top left of middle. You'll find here waiting for a game. If you have a game opened, you'll find the name of the game here. Just go and click on it, and here you can choose the video capture source, which should be the game per default. Instead of the game, if you want, you can change it to a window or the whole desktop. If you have multiple screens, you'll find multiple screens, or monitors, so select one. For me, I'm going to keep it on game. Other than that, you have the quality. You can change the quality, so you do have the low quality, standard, high quality, and a custom if you want to. You can change the codecs, the selected GPU, and the video enhancer as well. Other than that, you do have the audio source. So here you can select all PC audio or just some specific apps. It's up to you. And here we come to the microphone source to basically record your voice and middle. So at the moment, per default, it should be off. If you want to include this in your clips, all you need to do, just go and select auto or whatever microphone you wanted to select. As example, this is the main microphone that I use. You can select that, or I'm going to select this NVIDIA broadcast as it's enhanced my microphone a bit. And here you do have other recording settings to be edited, like the hotkey for clipping, long recording for screenshots. What is the hotkey for that? So you do have here multiple settings to be adjusted if you want to. For me, I don't care about any of that. I just want to include my voice. So here's it. It's included. Now, if I take a clip, it will include also my voice. As simple as that. So if you have it off, as an example, just choose your microphone from there and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.